The kitchen is set up with vibrant colors, creating an energetic atmosphere. The scene is ideal for preparing summer snacks. Upbeat tropical music enhances the lively mood. Wooden skewers or popsicle sticks form the structural base for frozen fruit kebabs. Fresh fruits such as grapes, strawberries, melon cubes, and bananas provide the primary ingredients. Optional yogurt can be used as a dipping sauce to enhance the flavor profile. Fruit pieces are slid onto skewers to create visually appealing kebabs. Arranging fruit on skewers encourages creativity and provides an engaging activity. The process involves selecting and threading fruit onto skewers in a deliberate manner. Dipping fruit skewers in yogurt adds an extra layer of flavor. Yogurt provides a creamy texture that complements the frozen fruit. This step is optional, allowing for customization based on taste preferences. The fruit kebabs require a freezing period of 1–2 hours. Freezing transforms the fresh fruit into a refreshing frozen treat. The freezing process solidifies the fruit, creating a firm and icy texture. Frozen fruit kebabs are a colorful and refreshing treat. The frozen nature of the kebabs provides a cooling sensation. These kebabs are ideal for consumption on hot summer days. A build-your-own sandwich station offers a variety of ingredients for personalized sandwich creation. The station provides options for customizing sandwiches to individual preferences. This setup allows for a creative and interactive approach to meal preparation. A build-your-own sandwich station requires a variety of breads or mini sandwich rounds. Essential spreads include peanut butter, cream cheese, or hummus to provide a base flavor. Fillings such as bananas, strawberries, cucumbers, turkey, cheese, and jelly offer diverse flavor and nutritional options. The first step in creating a personalized sandwich involves selecting a base spread. Peanut butter serves as an example of a base spread that can be applied to bread. Choosing a base that complements the fillings is crucial for flavor harmony. Adding toppings to the sandwich allows for creative expression and personalization. Viewers are encouraged to design silly faces or unique patterns using the available toppings. This step promotes imagination and allows for a customized sandwich experience. The final step involves pressing the top slice of bread onto the fillings. This action completes the sandwich assembly process. The process emphasizes simplicity and speed in creating a quick snack. A build-your-own sandwich station offers creative customization. Sandwich faces demonstrate the playful possibilities of ingredient arrangement. Edible decorations transform ordinary sandwiches into whimsical creations. Rainbow juice cubes are colorful and visually appealing. These cubes offer a refreshing and hydrating experience. Rainbow juice cubes combine aesthetic appeal with functional refreshment. The primary ingredients for rainbow juice cubes include a variety of fruit juices. Ice cube trays are essential for creating the cube shape. Optional fruit pieces can be added for enhanced flavor and visual appeal. Various fruit juices are prepared for creating layered rainbow juice cubes. Each juice is poured into its own separate container to maintain color purity. Containers of different colored juices are ready for the layering process. The initial step involves pouring a small amount of the first juice layer into ice cube trays. Each subsequent layer should consist of a different colored juice to create a rainbow effect. The layering process is repeated until the ice cube trays are filled, creating a multicolored frozen treat. The initial layer of rainbow juice must be frozen solid before adding subsequent layers. Freezing the first layer prevents color mixing and ensures distinct rainbow layers. Complete solidification of each layer is crucial for creating visually appealing rainbow juice cubes. The first juice layer must be fully frozen before adding the second layer. Pour the second juice layer gently over the frozen first layer to prevent mixing. Using different colored juice layers creates a visually appealing rainbow effect. The second juice layer must be frozen solid before adding the next layer. Repeating the freezing process for each juice layer creates a multicolored rainbow effect. Layered freezing is essential for achieving a visually appealing and structurally sound rainbow juice cube. The final step involves removing the rainbow juice cubes from the ice cube trays. The juice cubes exhibit a vibrant and colorful appearance after freezing. The rainbow juice cubes are easily removed from the flexible ice cube trays. Rainbow juice cubes can be added to a glass of water to create a visually appealing drink. Adding rainbow juice cubes to sparkling water enhances the refreshing quality of the beverage. The colorful dissolution of the cubes creates a visually stimulating and refreshing beverage option. Frozen fruit kebabs can be made with various fruits to offer diverse flavors and textures. Kiwi, pineapple, and mango can be incorporated into frozen fruit kebabs for a tropical twist. Creative fruit combinations enhance the visual appeal and nutritional value of frozen kebabs. Gluten-free bread can be used as a dietary alternative in a build-your-own sandwich station. Alternative spreads, such as avocado, can accommodate various dietary needs. A build-your-own sandwich station can cater to different dietary needs by offering gluten-free bread and alternative spreads. Adding small pieces of fruit enhances the nutritional value of rainbow juice cubes. Berries and melon are excellent choices for adding both flavor and essential nutrients to juice cubes. Incorporating fruit pieces into juice cubes provides a healthy and flavorful addition to any diet. Homemade snacks offer a fun and healthy alternative during the summer months. Preparing these treats at home is both simple and enjoyable. These snacks provide a nutritious and delicious option for summer refreshment.